2, 3, 4, Chatvari, Pancha, Goddess. Raise the hand. 1, 2, toes out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale. Standing upright on the right foot inward, turn the left foot outward, both the hands opening to the sideways. Yes, ma'am.
Bricks facing the ceiling. Shift to the left side. Stay there. 3, 2, 1. And left brick will go outside of the left foot. Trikonasana. Right hand facing the ceiling. Going extended toward the head. And
inhaling, come back. Exhale. Prasarita Paduttanasana. Turn the left foot in.
left foot
Place one brick down in front of you and take another brick behind. Prasarita Paduttanasana. C. Stretch the hand back using the brick. Open up the chest. Take a back bend. 1 and fold forward. 2. Go down. Dropping the head on the brick or close to the brick. Hand is raised up. One inhale. 1 exhale. 2 inhale. 2 exhale. 3 inhale. 3 exhale. 4 inhale. 4 exhale. 5 inhale. 5 exhale. Sit down in Malasana. Take both the bricks in between the legs. Raise your heels and place it on the brick. Keep your toes off. Balance. 1. Heel is on the brick. Toes are out. 3. 4. All your feet and palms are filled with acupressure points. Practicing with yoga bricks helps you to stimulate the nervous system and vital organs. That's why we are slow, so that you can access the position and balance. From here, standing upright. This time the toes are on the bricks and heels are down. Create a gap of almost your 1 foot. Now from here, toes on the brick and heel dropping down. You will find that your glute muscles are engaged, tight and closed. 1. Heels touching the floor. 2. 3. 4, 5, Ashirvad Mudra, right palm up, left palm down, Dhyana Mudra, Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, raise the heels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, change, going down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come back, exhale, release. Moving into sitting position. Right leg is forward, left knee is bent. Right leg is forward towards your mat. Keep your right leg towards the mat. Cactus hand with both bricks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Place the right brick down in front of the left shin bone. Drop the right elbow down and extend the left hand high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over the head, extend the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhaling, come back. Exhale. Find the twist. So turn the leg completely. Doing the twist. Get the elbow down. Pigeon position. Pigeon. Twist. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your left butt is down. Your left butt is down. Down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhaling, coming back. Some of you have changed the position. That was wrong. I'll tell you what you did. Turn around. You came back here and you completely changed the position. This knee was not changing. Clear? Do it for another 5 counts. Complete it. 1. Place your elbows down on the brick. 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Bend the right knee.
One brick will be in front of the right shin bone. Place the left forearm on the brick. Left forearm on the brick. Take a brick in your right hand and bring the right hand towards the ceiling. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Extend the arm to the head, forehead. Open the chest, look at the ceiling. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back, take 2 bricks. Bring the both bricks behind your your right thigh and shift the leg, the left leg, left toe, and bring both forearms on the bricks for a twist. The right leg did not move. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and bring the palms on the bricks. Come back.
Coming to prone position. Pregnant lady will wait. Regular student. Place one brick flat. Another brick vertical. Place the chin. Raise your legs slightly off the height of the brick, the third height of the brick, keeping your knees straight, active. You can keep your legs together. Pregnant ladies, if there are in my class, go into Anantasana, sideways stretch. Keeping your 2 bricks, drop your head. Stretch the leg, hold here.
After this, give the Viparit Naukasana. Extend the hand with the grip. After 10 counts, legs can get relaxed.
Slowly take the top brick. Extend the arms. Feet together. And lift the one brick. Look forward. Ekam, dve, trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shat, Sapt, Ashtang, Nav, and relax.